AI is only as smart as the prompts you give it. If you've ever thought ChatGPT doesn't understand me, it's probably your prompt, not the AI. Here's how to talk to AI so it gives you exactly what you want. Prompt engineering is simply the art of giving clear instructions to AI tools. The better your prompt, the better the response. Think of it like giving directions. Vague requests lead to random results. Specific, structured requests produce gold. 1. Be specific. Instead of write an ad, try. Write a 100-word Facebook ad promoting a new eco-friendly coffee mug to young professionals who value sustainability. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini respond best when they know the context, goal, and audience. 2. Give examples. Feed the AI samples of what you like. Here's a paragraph from our brand tone. Tools like Jasper Brand Voice learn from examples and maintain consistency. 3. Use roles and instructions. Start prompts with, "You are a marketing strategist," or "Act as a data analyst." ChatGPT, custom GPTs, or Perplexity AI follow roles beautifully. 4. Iterate and refine. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Ask follow-ups like, "Make it more persuasive," or "Add bullet points." Tools like Notion AI and WriteSonic let you edit prompts on the fly. 5. Save your best prompts. Keep a prompt library in Notion or Airtable so your team doesn't start from scratch each time. Prompt engineering turns you from a casual user into a power user. When you learn to speak the language of AI, it stops guessing and starts delivering. Master this skill, and every AI tool instantly becomes more valuable.